I know you want to try. I'm sure you want to try.
Come on and cook with me at Scenic.
Hi, I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Scenic Thai Cooking School, Chiang Mai, Thailand. You know, Thai people, we eat the fruit with something spicy.
Come on and cook with me at Scenic. Come on and cook with me at Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We're gonna have a great
Eat fruit
time.
with salt, chili, sugar. Sounds crazy, but you know it tastes so good. Any fruit we can eat with salt, chili, sugar. But today I show you this guava, pear, and apple, and we have the tamarind, the fresh tamarind. It tastes so sour. Okay, how to make it? You can do it like this. Is very simple way, but you know, less is more. Simple but big flavor. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix together. That's it. That's it. And then we try. I know you want to try. I'm sure you want to try. Guava and tamarind. Fresh tamarind is very sour. We dip. And the flavor from the tamarind and salt, chili, sugar, all the flavor mixed together. This is Thai flavor. We don't eat only spicy. We don't eat only salt or sugar, but we eat all together. That's why. That's why we eat like this. Try to do it at home, okay? When you stay in your home, try to follow me, cook with me like this. But if you travel to Thailand, come and cook with me with my cooking school. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And see you in next clip. Bye bye.
We're gonna cook